Get ready to learn some valuable tips on managing suppliers in the current global supply chain constraint situation. With the world changing rapidly in the post-pandemic era, managing suppliers has become increasingly challenging, especially depend on which industries you are in. In this video, I will share some effective actions you can take to mitigate potential issues and achieve consistently high quality parts. Don't miss out on these valuable insights. This is a revision slide that we are in the world of supply chain that are interconnected to each other, and one weak link could cause potentially a bad outcome which is manifested in a quality issue. This would include the material shortage in the supply chain, especially the upper tier suppliers. The chip shortage that began in 2021 has affected various industries, including electronics, automobiles, and medical equipment requiring electronic chips. Unfortunately, this supply chain constraint is not expected to end soon. Furthermore, there are predictions that raw materials will experience a tight supply chain in the near future. Natural resources such as metal and gas are becoming increasingly scarce and are essential raw materials that use in the top tier of the supply chain. Some mining operations has depleted the surface level resources, forcing them to delve deeper to extract the necessary materials. Unfortunately, there has been little investment into the deeper exploration in the past, potentially resulting in limited access to raw materials at present and future. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content. Companies with poor management are likely to experience financial difficulties. During such time, it is essential for suppliers, sub-tier suppliers, and direct suppliers to assess the financial situations of their upper-tier suppliers and identify those at risk of going out of business, which cause a sudden disruption in supply chain. Your direct suppliers could end up buying parts from another sub-tier suppliers, which could have a slightly different specs or requirements that are not noticeable to them, however, will have huge impact on your product quality. To avoid such situation, it is crucial to have a mitigation plan in place rather than waiting for the suppliers to close down overnight. Failure to do so could result in sourcing from unqualified sources or not having access to the materials necessary to build parts. A common mitigation plans would involve seeking alternate suppliers with better management practices. It is better to be safe than sorry. Enroll in my exclusive 7 Essentials of Supplier Quality Management course at Udemy, the premier destination for affordable online education. This comprehensive course is tailor-made for supplier management professionals seeking to acquire the skills and knowledge necessary to excel in this field. You will learn about the 7 essentials area of supplier quality management, which includes supplier selection qualification, product qualification, supplier development sustaining, and supply evaluation.
I have added a new bonus module on how to manage supplier in the current challenging supply chain situation. With all the templates prepared for you, this course also includes 8 valuable resources to help you implement an effective supplier management program and advance your career. Don't miss out this opportunity to boost your expertise and stay ahead of the competition. Enroll now. I hope you have gained valuable insights into supply quality management, which needs to achieve consistently good quality products from suppliers' manufacturing process. If you have any further questions or comment, please leave them below and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who want to enhance their skills and shape their future. If you are ready to enhance your career in supplier quality management to the next level, enroll in my expert course on Udemy. You will gain access to resources which you can use immediately to manage supplier effectively. I look forward to seeing you in the course.
It is important to collaborate with your management, procurement team, and suppliers to determine if any new suppliers has been qualified. Utilizing the essential one of the supplier qualification methods in this module is crucial in understanding the potential impact of a new suppliers on your products. Take the necessary steps to qualify a new suppliers to ensure that their sustainability for your business needs.
When working with suppliers and sub-tier suppliers, it is essential to have a system in place that allows for the maintenance of an approved vendor list. By doing so, you can ensure that only reliable and high-quality vendors are used in your supply chain. Additionally, it is important to stay informed of any changes to the vendors on your approved list, as these changes can create new risks for your business. By collaborating with your suppliers and sub-tier suppliers, you can work together to create a mitigation plan that minimizes any potential risks associated with these changes. I hope you have gained valuable insights into supply quality management, which needs to achieve consistently good quality products from suppliers' manufacturing process. If you have any further questions or comment, please leave them below and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who want to enhance their skills and shape their future. If you are ready to enhance your career in supplier quality management to the next level, enroll in my expert course on Udemy. You will gain access to resources which you can use immediately to manage supplier effectively. I look forward to seeing you in the course.